Did you know that your home insurance covers you wherever you are? Let's say you was in Paris and your laptop got stolen. It's covered, but it might not cover, but only $5,000 for everything you took from your house to your Florida beach house. Same policy, different protection. And I'm here today to explain to you why. Now, here's what the insurance companies won't tell you, and most people miss. Your personal property, you know, the stuff that's in your house, all these little things that's in your house, it's covered wherever you go. If your laptop gets stolen at a coffee shop in Rome, or if your luggage gets swiped at Miami International Airport, that's potentially covered because your coverage doesn't stop at your front door. Now, y'all, here's a bonus. Most agents ain't gonna tell you this, and probably half of them don't even know. If you have a guest staying at your house, or you got a housekeeper with their stuff in your house, if something happened at your house and their stuff get damaged, your policy can cover their stuff too. But you have to ask after a loss because it doesn't happen automatically. And as quiet as it kept, if they don't say nothing, their stuff ain't covered, your friend's stuff gone. Ask and ask them to cover it. Go ahead and ask the insurance to cover your friend's stuff and your housekeeper stuff and whoever was living with their stuff in your house at the time. Because a closed mouth don't get fed. Okay, getting back to what I was saying. So your stuff travels with you. That's good news. But now, here's the part where people get burned every time. If you own a second home, a vacation home, or a rental, even a storage unit, your insurance company is not going to cover it the same way it would if you were at your home, a primary home. It's just not. Now, here's the rule, and this is how this goes. They'll only pay up to 10% of your coverage C limit at that vacation, rental, storage location, or $1,000, whichever is higher. Now let's run the numbers and make the math start mathing. If your main policy is covered for $50,000 for your personal property, and that's pretty standard in Florida, you get $5,000 for everything at that beach house, every piece of furniture, every appliance, every item in the storage unit. That's right. You're only going to get $5,000. Now, there are two exceptions to this rule, and you're going to need to know them both. If your primary home is being renovated and you have to temporarily move out, that 10% cap doesn't apply. And if you're just moving into your brand new home, you get 30 days of complete coverage while you're in transition. After that, that cap going to kick in, y'all. That cap just going to kick all the way in. So keep your eye on that. Now, let me tell you what you're going to do with this information. You're going to do three things. And the first one's only going to take you about 20 minutes. Number one, do a home inventory. Walk through every room with your phone. Video everything. Open every closet, every drawer, every whatever. Just open it and take pictures of everything you got up in there. Then you're going to take that information, you're going to store it in the cloud. Or you're going to store it in a vault. Or you're going to store it off-site, not in your house. Because if your house burned down, that inventory list that you got sitting over there on the corner because you done took it now, you think you're good, it's going to burn down with the house. This one step can make any future claim drastically faster and harder for the insurance company to deny. Number two, if you have a second property, call your insurance or your little agent this week. Don't assume that you're covered. Ask specifically about an endorsement for that location, or get yourself a separate policy. Number three, if you're renovating, flag it early. Let your agent know before you start, not after. During the renovation, your home coverage situation gets complicated real fast. Get it in writing before the contractor show up. Now, y'all listen, here's the truth about insurance. It's boring and it's not exciting until the moment you need it. And by then, it's too late to change what you done already bought. Now, that's exactly why I'm here. I spent 10 years as a claims adjuster in Florida, and I've seen the look on people's faces when they find out that they stuff that they took over to the beach to have a nice little summer vacation isn't covered the way they thought it was going to be covered. Don't be that person. If this was useful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share it out to somebody that you know might be vacationing here in Florida. I try to break down new pieces of your policy every week. Go ahead and drop your biggest insurance question in the comments, and I will try to answer them in future videos. Come back soon because I'll be telling you 3 things that you think is covered under your policy, and it's absolutely not. My name is Janine, y'all, and I'm here to expose what the insurance company don't want you to know. And I'll talk to you next time.